Long ago, Earth's greatest ninja sacrificed himself to keep the universe safe from the monster Galvanax. 10 years later, the Rangers fought many battles to protect the legendary ninja power stars. Finally, Galvanax was defeated. But the ruthless Madam Odius survived and rose to power, determined to take the stars for herself. Only one team of heroes can stop her.
It's morphin' time!
They are Power Rangers Super Ninja Steel.
Okay, Isaac, you show us your trick now. Ooh, not bad, not bad. Just keep practicing.
Thanks. I love Magic Club.
Remember, believe in the magic, but also believe in yourself. That's the key.
Thanks, Preston. You're the best.
Happy to help.
I almost got it.
Oh, man. We better clean this up. Monty! Hey. And Victor? When did you join Magic Club?
Oh, when we realized it's a great place to impress girls.
Yes. Oh, now, observe the mysterious hypnotic arts. Keep your eye on the clock. You're getting sleepy. And now, when I say the word chicken, you'll turn into a chicken.
Nice! Look out! Don't pick it up! No, gee!
Come down from there. You're scaring people. Bad chicken.
Stop! What in the world? I leave for 2 minutes. And what is going on in here?
A nasty bee got loose.
Yeah. We're really sorry, Mr. Lunt.
Sorry isn't enough. I said you could use my classroom for your magic club, and you've turned it into a catastrophe. No more magic club in my classroom, period. And someone get rid of that bee.
No more Magic Club?
Go to sleep. Oh, oh gee.
What is all this mess in here? And where...
What?
You are sleeping on the job?
Hello? Hello, Principal?
Look at this room. Who knows what would have happened if I didn't wake you up?
I was asleep? I don't know how that could have happened.
Okay, well, pay attention, because I'm going to tell you what's happening now. Pack your things. You're fired.
What?
Crushing evil with all the might together, ninja steel. Never give up without a fight together, ninja steel. Go, go, Power Rangers. Go, go, Power Rangers. Go. Standing up for what is right together, ninja steel. Watching your back day or night together, ninja steel. Go, go, Power Rangers. Go, go, Power Rangers. Go, ninja steel. Go, go, Power Rangers, ninja steel. Go, go, Power Rangers. Go, go, Power Rangers. Go, ninja steel.
Keep up, Brax! Now, Odius, I've had enough. It's time to fulfill your end of our bargain.
You're in no position to make demands of me, Tynamon.
No! What are you doing? Please!
Looks like your little secret's out. You're even tinier than I imagined. You're pathetic.
Forgive me, madam. You promised to make me big. I can't live in that robot anymore.
You really want to be big? Then earn it. You know the Ranger's friend. His name is Mick. Bring him to me, and I'll gigantify you.
But how will I do that?
Simple. I have a new weapon I'd like you to test. It's a little large for you, but I can fix that.
Ooh, I like it.
Now, go capture Mick.
5-element barricade!
See? When you combine the energy of the 5 elements, it can create a pretty strong barrier.
Fantastic. We can capture monsters and keep them from getting away.
There you are.
Hey, Preston. Look, thanks for letting me borrow your element, Star.
Sure.
You still down about your spell hitting Mr. Lund?
Look, it's totally my fault that he got fired.
Well, I say we find a way to get Mr. Lunt his job back.
Yeah, he's a really good drama teacher. Everybody loved him.
It's true.
Everybody loves him. You're right. You're right. Well, what if we get the support of the whole school? That could work. Yeah. Hey, will you sign this petition for Mr. Lunt?
For sure. Sure thing.
He's a great teacher.
Yeah, of course.
Just sign the petition right here, thanks.
Sure, I want to help.
We just want to help him get his job back.
Absolutely.
Hey, guys. We got 43 signatures. How about you?
39 for us.
And, we got 44. That's not bad.
Do you think that'll be enough?
Now's your chance to find out.
Principal Hastings!
What is it, Preston?
We've gotten 126 signatures on a petition to keep Mr. Lunt. Everyone loves him. Would you, consider giving him his job back?
I'm afraid that's not possible. Sleeping in class is inexcusable for a teacher.
But everyone makes mistakes every now and then.
No buts. My decision is final.
Your petition didn't work, huh?
But I'm not giving up. We just need to find another plan.
I'm sure you'll figure it out with your ninja minds. What's up, Redbot?
Suffering circuits! There's buzzcam activity in Hillcrest Quarry!
Okay, buddy, we're on it.
Come on, guys. Let's check it out.
Let's take the bikes.
What was that?
Hello?
Huh. Well, maybe I was just seeing things.
Surprise!
What on earth?
Gotcha!
The buzzcams are in place. Let's see if our distraction plan worked.
It's Brax!
So, you found me.
No more games! You're not getting away from us this time, Brax.
Enough chat, Ranger fools. Prepare to face your certain destruction.
Ready, guys? Let's do this!
Bring it on!
Aeroblast! Let's try our element shield.
Great idea.
Nice! Yeah!
What?
Yo, Brody, catch! Thanks, bro. I'll take care of Brax.
Element storm, lock in! Ninja spin! 5-element barricade!
Nice work, Rangers. You just trapped Red for me. Now I'll destroy him.
Don't bet on it. Super Star Blade, super speed. Brody, are you okay? Oh no!
What happened?
My power star.
It's damaged!
Even your most powerful moves can't stop me! Your time is up, Rangers! Fools! You may have escaped, but it doesn't matter, because now we have Mick!
The damage looks similar to what Foxitron did to your Sword Stars.
Good. Then we can fix it, right?
Yeah, but fixing them takes some time.
And it will take even longer without Mick.
Why? Where is he?
I haven't seen him for hours.
That's weird. I guess he's prepping a class.
Perhaps.
Hey, guys. Mr. Lunt's almost done packing. So we should probably say goodbye.
Man, it's so unfair.
I almost wish the principal would make a mistake like Mr. Lunt, so she could see how it feels. Wait a second. Calvin! Oh, you genius! What if she did make a mistake?
Okay, Presto, what do you have up your sleeve?
See you tomorrow, Principal Hastings.
All right. I'll be heading off soon. Toodaloo.
Go to sleep.
Hey! Mr. Lunt,
Yes, Haley. What's up?
I wanted to thank you. If you hadn't cast me in the play, I never would have overcome my stage fright.
Well, I'm glad I did. You gave a great performance.
Thank you. We're really gonna miss you around here.
Thank you, Haley.
Oh, look, you dropped your keys.
Oh, no. These aren't mine. Hastings. Oh, they belong to Principal Hastings.
Oh, gee, look at the time. I've got to get going. Bye, Mr. Lunt.
Bye, Haley.
It worked. He's headed inside.
What in the world? Principal!
Great job. Let's hope this works.
Principal! Principal Hastings!
What happened?
I think you, fell asleep. I found these in the parking lot. I think they're yours.
Oh, yes, they are. Thank you. I remember making some copies, and then I guess you're right. I fell asleep. I'm so glad you came in.
Oh, don't worry about it. Let's get this cleaned up.
If it can happen to me, it can happen to anybody. Mr. Lunt, I shouldn't have fired you for making one silly little mistake. That was too harsh.
You mean that?
Yes, of course I do. And you know, today, one of your students, Preston Tian, he gave me a petition with over 100 signatures on it, all of them from students who wanted you to stay at this school, and I'm a fool for not listening to them. So will you stay?
Yes! Oh, I'd love to.
Mission accomplished.
There we go.
Still no Mick, huh?
Nope, and we're still not done fixing my power star.
I'm detecting buzzcam activity in an alley off 2nd Street. You'd better check it out.
We'll have to manage without you.
Oh, wait. Take this. I'll join you as soon as my star's done. The Line Fire Armor Star could help.
You got it.
Your beam worked on Mick. Now, can you tell me your ultimate plan?
Oh, Tynamon, you know I want it to be a surprise. You'll see, I'll soon have the Super Steel, the Nexus Prism, and then the entire universe.
What about our deal? Make me big so I can finally leave this robot body?
One quick task before I do. Destroy the Rangers. Look, here they come now.
I'll wipe them out!
Tynamon! What are you up to?
What else? I'm here to finish you all!
It's morphin' time! Power stars!
Lock in! Ready! Ninja spin! Darkstone barrier! Whiplash! Ranger brats!
Line fire armor star! Lock in! Ha! Let's see if the armor will work for me. Ninja spin! Out of the fire and into the fight! Line fire! Blue!
It worked!
And it feels amazing!
Time for me to power up too. Superstar mode star. Lock in. Superstar mode. Activate. Ninja spin.
Show me what you've got!
Ninja spin.
Line fire! Ninja spin!
Superstar supercharge.
Line fire! Flame strike!
That was easy.
Surprise, Rangers! I'm not even scratched!
That was easy.
Surprise, Rangers! I'm not even scratched!
Let's get him, Presto.
Nobody's invincible!
Hold him steady.
Arrow blast!
Not the face!
What the?
My power star's fixed. What is it?
Brody, look!
Oh no! They've discovered the real me!
The real Tynamon? Is he?
A tiny monster?
Trying to look big?
You may have destroyed my robot body, but I'm not afraid of you! You'll pay for this!
Whoa!
Odius! Make me giant!
Do you think he's going to last long when he's that size?
Fine. Gigantify him if you must.
Yippee! Right away! Time to give Tiny Tynamon his big wish! Gigantify!
Finally! My dream come true!
I know just the thing to cut this guy back down to size. Ninja Fusion Star! Lock in! Combine! Ninja Spin! Ninja Fusion Zord! Ready! Ready! Ninja Super Seal Mode! Ready! Master Slash!
No way! He bucked it like it was nothing!
Toxic Tangle! It's so good to be big!
We're gonna need something more powerful!
I've got an idea! Line fire Zord Star! Lock in! Ninja spin!
Yes! We're free! Now let's take things to another level. Ninja Ultra Zord! Combine! Ninja Spin! Ninja Ultra Zord! Ready! Ninja Ultra Strike!
Going up! Let's finish this guy!
Yeah! Great idea, Presto!
Begin final attack! Ninja Spin! Ninja Super Steel Blaster! Energized! Ninja Ultra Zord Blast! Final attack! Show's over, ninjas win.
Preston, what do we do? The club needs somewhere to practice.
Maybe we could practice out here. How does that sound?
Are you nuts, Presto? Everyone will see my magical secrets. No way.
Preston, can I have a word?
Yeah, sure.
I heard about the petition you and your friends put together. Thank you. I can't tell you how much that means to me.
You're welcome. And to be honest, we did it for the students, too. Summer Cove High just wouldn't be the same without you.
Also, I've changed my mind. You can have your Magic Club meetings in my classroom. Just don't mess it up. And if I fall asleep, please wake me.
You got it.
Presto!
Yeah!
Here you go, Calvin.
Hey, this isn't my sandwich. Broads, what'd you order?
Chicken. And now, when I say the word chicken, you'll turn into a chicken. Victor! Victor, I'm chicken!
What?
Suffering circuits! Come to the base quick!
What's up, Red Bod?
Rangers, you really need to see this.
It's Mick.
Hey, fellas.
Hey.
My parents are sick, so I'm gonna go visit them.
Wait, you're going to the Lion Galaxy?
Yeah, but don't worry, I'll be back again soon.
Okay, well, we sure hope your folks get better.
Me too. Talk again soon. Bye.
Later.
Hi, Mick. Who cares about the demise of that tiny twit Tynamon? Now that I have this working, I can move to the first phase of my ultimate plan.
But your device only hit one person. Can you make it bigger?
I'm afraid I can't, but he can. Welcome back, Mick. Why don't you tell Madonna how you'll help us?
I can make a satellite system that will broadcast to the whole planet.
Ha! My mind control device is working perfectly, don't you think?
It's exquisite, madam. We'll get to work at once.
It's all finally coming together. Sleep well, Power Rangers. It'll be your last peaceful night.